Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Nexus 7 2013 tablet. Now, the Android tablet market didn't take off as some would have expected, and basically when you compare Android tablets to the iPad, we will say the iPad won. But that doesn't mean that Android tablets don't serve a purpose, or could they even deliver a good experience, because they actually can. And this is my 2013 Nexus 7. Really cool device, spec wise, out of the way. It's got the Snapdragon S4 Pro. It's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It's a quad core chip with an Adreno 320 is the GPU. This one is the Wi-Fi only 16x2, so 16 gigs of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM. There's a 32 gig storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM and an LTE model as well. But mine is a Wi-Fi one, and it is rooted. I do have a custom ROM on here. It is the Pixel Experience ROM, which is running Android 10. I found no reason to really want to move it up to Android 11, as it's serving its purpose right now as for what it is for me, which what I use this device for is an e-reader and a media player. That's pretty much it. Listening to music, whether headphones, since it has a headphone jack, or by Bluetooth, or watching movies on this thing is pretty much what I do with it. However, I would say this when the audio side wise, because the speakers are on the back of the device instead of the front, even though you got those giant bezels on the front. I would have preferred the speakers being on the front, but they're on the back of the device. So I tend to use headphones with this quite a bit, as the speakers are not that loud. The camera, of course, selfie cam, is a 1.2 megapixel front-facing camera. The back is a 5 megapixel camera, so they're not the most high quality camera sensors, but they can get the job done with good lighting. At least I could say that much. I mean, that selfie right there looks pretty decent for a very low quality camera sensor. The display is a nice size display itself, 7 inches. Which you can view a lot with it. Of course, you got the giant bezels on the side, which makes it easier for me to hold this. I don't have to feel like I'm going to have any accidental touches or anything like that, so that's always a nice touch, even though some will complain that it's not an all-screen display. And the size of the tablet itself is small, so it's not like my LG G Pad 10.1. That's a pretty big tablet compared to this. This is doable for one-handed action, and definitely one that I had to take back off the shelf and just kind of reminisce about the experience with this. With the custom ROM and everything, brings it more up to date, but it's still a very capable device. Again, you can't really swap out hardware, so the S4 Pro is handling things that I throw at it very, very well. A micro USB port on the bottom for charging, but this thing also has wireless charging. That's right, I can wirelessly charge this on a Qi charger pad. So besides using a cable, I can just wirelessly charge if I need to. And that's kind of crazy that it had all this stuff. And this device released in July of 2013. So that's a bit some time ago. But nonetheless, I still enjoy using this. Sure, it's not an advanced computer, but just for what I needed to do, it handles just fine, and I'm very happy with it. So I just thought I would bring some light back to this really old but very popular Android tablet. And so if you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button to let me know. Help circulate the videos. If you just subscribed, thanks for doing that. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I go live or upload a new video. Thanks for checking out this video again, and as always, peace.